Do you want to close your trade fast on IK option? In this video, I will show you how to quickly close an active trade on IK option app step by step so you can manage your positions and react to market changes more efficiently. Closing a trade at the right time can help you manage risk and control your trading strategy. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to IK option app. In this first page here, you will go to this sign of on above here on three lines, so you will tap on three lines. Then here in this page you will find settings, so you will click on settings. Then you will go to trading on settings, trading like this. And after that, here in this page you will find general settings, so you will find the sign called closed trades on chart contracts, and then you will click here to tap and to enable closed trades on charts on the application of IK option easily. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.